Alright, here's the garden that we're gonna look for cucumbers in. You see this entire row here is cucumbers. Big elephant ear plants right there. Grapevines in the background, corn, tomatoes, peas, beans. I think she has some fresh dill out here that she uses in her recipe. Well, I see the bees flying all over pollinating here. Alright, she said pick the small ones. Got one big one there, bunch of small ones. How many got, Hazel? Let's say oh yeah, your bucket's looking pretty good. I think we got her picked pretty clean here. When did you pick them last? Earlier this week?
Monday.
Monday, so this is only Thursday. Let me see your bucket there.
Pick one day.
Alright.
And then
this is the bucket I picked over here.
Wait 2 days and...
Oh, now how did you miss that, Hazel?
I didn't come down this side,
How did you miss that?
Get your pickles.
You're lifting those vines up, I think that's why. Like here's one here, again. I'm not wanting to damage your plants here.
Oh, you ain't gonna hurt them vines.
Alright. There, we got the raw product here. There's too much noise in this valley. I thought it was going to be a quiet morning picking cucumbers for pickles, and there's chainsaws running, tractors running. Here's the dill plants. I'm cutting dill for the dill pickles. Close up of what it looks like. Or what we're going to can.
Yeah.
Okay. That's neat.
It's a pretty.
Over in the squash, yellow squash plants here. Right there's one. Not for the dill pickles now. She says the pickings were kind of slim, and considering it's only 3 days, I'm actually surprised there's that much. And she's got these huge ones. Look at those. Look at those little ones. All right, we're getting the last ingredient. She says she already has some in the house, so we don't need one here. There it is. And what type of garlic is this?
Elephant ear.
Elephant ear?
Yeah, elephant.
Oh, elephant garlic.
Yeah.
Well, that's what my Aunt Tricia has in hers.
Yeah.
It gets big like that.
Yeah, this ought to be bigger, but it's not.
Here's our other helper. Washing the pickles. Actually washing the cucumbers. They're not pickles yet. Alright, there's the recipe. And Hazel's fresh kosher style dill pickles. Put half small sliced garlic bulb, half teaspoon mustard seed, fresh dill if using fresh dill, or 2 teaspoons of dry dill seed in the bottom of each quart jar. Pack the pickles in half full, then a layer of fresh dill, then pack full of pickles. Make a brine now. 3 cups water, 3 cups vinegar, 6 tablespoons of salt, bring to a boil. Oh, you actually boiled that. Okay. Pour over the pickles, put on the lids, and boil in hot water bath for 5 minutes. Let set 4 days before eating. Alright, we're sorting them out. The ones are the biggest ones. You might cut them in half like that. I'm going to show you the ones. These are apparently the rejects. These aren't good enough for the pickle jar. A little bit too big, so I have to eat those. Can't let anything go to waste the way this depression's hitting us. It feels like it's 1930s over here. That looks pretty good. Oh, those tiny ones. Little bite-sized ones. Has nice taste to them. Alright, we're peeling garlic here. Just a clove or 2 of garlic goes in the jar. Cleaning the fresh dill for the pickles. I just wonder if those factories that make pickles, do they use fresh dill or do they use dill seed? I bet it's dill seed because I've never seen fresh like that. Yeah.
Fresh dill in the jar. It would like.
So the seed is just the top of those plants? Is that what it is?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And does it dry and that's what you buy at the store? Or is it fresh?
I don't know. You just get the seed.
Well, I imagine it's dried then. It's not fresh.
Yeah, it's dried.
The boss says, what is it, a teaspoon or half a teaspoon? That's a half. Okay, so that's a half. All right. So half a teaspoon in each jar?
Yeah.
And that's all it's going to be?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we've got mustard seed in, and we're putting the garlic in. Now, the garlic that goes in these jars, all the garlic goes in? You don't half and half that, do you? Or do you?
No, I just slice off some.
Okay, so what's the thing that you do half where you fill the jar up half? I was reading here.
Oh, the dill.
Oh, the dill.
Dill.
Okay. All right. Let's see what those jars look like with mustard seed and garlic in it. Okay, so now what do you do on this?
Put in some
The dill. Mm-hmm. How do you know how much?
Just like this.
See, this is these old time recipes. Like my grandma when she made her hot rolls. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
That's how you do it.
So now it's going to layer the jars with the cucumbers.
Yeah, these ones are kind of big, so.
Yeah, those are tall.
Bet somebody will eat them.
Oh, I guarantee they will. Pick the little ones to fit in and fill up the space. So a little bit more dill. A couple little ones going in now. All right, this it actually smells really good. It's too bad cameras can't pick that up. Okay, without those big pickles, we have 5 quarts and then a half, so a pint. 11
It's
pints.
shining the right way, so I know my mark.
And that's half and half with the salt in it, right?
Yeah.
So the brine that we're making here, it says about 3 cups water, 3 cups of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of salt. So bring that to a boil. So this is just to a boil and then pull it off the heat?
Yeah.
And then you start pouring it in your jars.
Yeah.
Now, I'll tell you what, something's wrong here. You don't have your old cast iron stove going.
It's too hot today for that.
Maybe in the fall, we can or something. We'll get that going.
In the winter, I can meat on it.
Okay.
Sweet taters in the fall.
So that's just the brine getting ready to boil there.
I've got one, but I never use it.
Never use it.
Oh, there's 2 or 3 of them around here.
Yeah, we're putting the brine over, the hot brine. Just is boiling there. This in here. Doesn't take a whole lot, does it?
Alright. Don't take much of the juice.
Now, how many's gonna fit in that pot? 4?
3.
3? Okay. 7 go in mine, of quarts.
Yeah.
If you use
We
it,
got all sizes of them.
yeah.
We've got 3 different seven. That's when we can beans and stuff on the big wood cook stove.
Yeah, I gotta come over when you do that. I think I came over. You guys were doing something. Probably beans. All right, so the first 3 quarts are in the water bath. They're getting their Saturday night bath here. Oh, you put the lid on?
Yeah.
Okay. I told them you could do that. Here's one of the finished products, and that's from 2024. So a year ago, right there. All right, the first 3 quart jars have had their Saturday night bath. We got 2 quarts and a pint here to go.
Half pint.
Oh, that's a half pint.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that is. I was saying pint. That's not a pint jar. All right, after those first 3 quarts, the head chef here pulled the pot off because the water was too hot. She didn't want to bust the bottom of the jars that are about to go in.
Yeah, you gotta.
But is your clock on the stove right? 9:30? Okay, I think we started maybe around 7:30.
Yeah.
So from picking fresh to canned finished product out of the water bath, 2 hours. You could have had more.
Yeah,
Could have had a lot more.
It's been more. We've still been busy.
All right. I'm on the bridge right over the old Lick Creek here in Lower Lick Run. The Fisher Farm where we just made some pickles. Got some cattle on the hillside up there. It's a good amount of water for July 24th. Coming up to the old Lower Lick Run church or school here. I'll dump in some old pictures of this. Wow, it's really deteriorating. It's leaning too. Put some pictures of the kids right in front of this door here. There's the garden that we got the pickles out of.